Hi there, this is our Dalian lathe, 3-phase, quite a heavy wide bed lathe, metre between centres. It's got the Rapids digital readout, etc. You'll see from the photos its condition. The things that I've noticed with this particular one is the Rapids, when you use them, the motor slows down as though it's under load, which I will show you. Generally it's a little bit noisy in the headstock itself. It would have come out and has got an electromagnetic brake for the neutral, which isn't working. The digital readout display, the four main buttons that you use, the wee plastics worn off them, but the buttons themselves work good. And the only other thing I've noticed is the emergency foot brake. When you push it, it does disable it electrically, but doesn't actually slow the chuck down itself. Well, I'll just run you through things. So it needs the motor to be, engaged, the clutch itself, for the coolant pump to work. So you probably won't hear that, but the coolant pump is ticking over. We'll start with the carriage itself. It's got that revolving type tool post on it. It's nice to move there. And the cross feels good with a little bit of play, and the compound slide's good to move too, and again that one's got a little bit of play. The light's working there. I can show you those Rapids now if you like. So just with use, that motor does slow down. It's not doing it at the moment, but it does. The tailstock, nice to move in and out, feels pretty good on the inside. That lock's working good, and so is that one. If I didn't mention the chuck guard as well, the switch, either it's got a fault with it or someone's disabled it, but the electrical switch for that chuck guard's not working as well. Okay, we'll fire it up. Now I'll turn that pump on, but you can't really hear it actually with that motor running, but it needs that motor running for it to be operating. And so I'll just, that's reverse, that's your E-stop, start that up, forwards. So I'll just change through these here. That's changing through nicely, and I've got the lead screw engaged there. That's heading that way, and I can change that direction back. So that's that lead screw. I'll engage the feed shaft and use the joystick. So that's moving the carriage that way. This is freewheeling now. Now it's moving and feeding towards me. And now the cross slide's feeding away from you, and now the cross slide's feeding back towards you. So those are the feeds there, and I'll try and run you through the gears there. So that there is 26. And E is 36, D, that's 52, and C is 70, so that's the very lowest range. I'll take you up slowly. So I've slipped it over to the higher range. F will be 90. Oopsie. Yeah, that'll be 90. E will be 125. D will be 180. C 250. So take that there. So F 180. E B 250. D 360. And C 500. Last range. So F will be 600. E will be 850. Two more to go. Which D is 1220. So that's C1700, its fastest speed. So that is pretty much it. So yeah, it's a heavy duty lathe, made it between centres, has got the rapid, it's got a few faults, but yeah, it's all set to go.